Hello friends, I am really very thankful to God and Almighty and my elders that by the grace and by the wishes of them I got this power of prediction, and now the world also have seen this power of mine when I uploaded means when I uploaded the videos of 2018 FIFA World Cup in group matches. If I talk about, I uploaded videos of 48 matches, and the result I want to tell you, it is very, it gives, joy and happiness to me and my, disciples and my followers, that all the prediction is true, and the score is 100 out of 100 in group matches. 48 matches, all the matches prediction is 100 upon 100. Okay, now I will talk about the round of, top 16 group matches. This I will give you the detail. The matches start on 30th June. France versus Argentina. All the people, I have watched so many videos about predictions, about prediction on YouTube. All the people were saying that Mr. Messi will do this, and the Argentina will win, and this and that. Seriously talking, I just did some calculation, and after 4 5 hours, I come to realize that the FIFA 2018 World Cup for Argentina will not give any light, and the star player will not able to prove himself. So France beat Argentina with 4-3. Same day, I predicted about Uruguay and Portugal. Portugal, in the Portugal team, there is a player called Ronaldo. He is very famous. He is also very famous, one of the famous player. And all the people were saying, again I watched on YouTube, all the people were saying, Portugal will take the match, and Ronaldo will do wonders, as he had scored before goals. I did the calculation again, and I predicted Uruguay will win, and Uruguay won that match with 2-1. Just see the difference. Okay, now 1st July, the match took place between Spain and Russia. All were with the Spain. I said Russia. It was 1-1, but after the shootout, means after the penalty corners, Russia won this match. Means my prediction comes true. Till this, I am 100 upon 100. Okay. Now, 1st July, Croatia versus Denmark. Again the same problem. All were saying Denmark is very strong team. Croatia will cannot win. And there were so many videos. They are having, subscriber in millions, and they are having views in millions. Some YouTube channels are using animals for prediction. I mean, I know that human being is the greatest of all, if I talk about in living beings. But people are people can have faith on animals more. They are relying on animals basically. So there are so many animals today now, means so many animals are on job predicting human beings, or predicting human beings future, or sports prediction is going on by the animals. I don't want to criticize anyone, I'm just telling you. But please, I am saying this to you all, realize the real power, real knowledge, real belief, and real calculation. Prediction is not the magic. Astrology is a very deep science. Okay, I am coming to the point. So Croatia won that match. Brazil with Mexico, Brazil won. Belgium with Japan, Belgium won. And Colombia with England, Colombia with England, I predicted England. England won the match. In quarter final, if I talk about Uruguay and France, actually I predicted and I uploaded the videos little tricky. Means sometimes you can't give the predictions straightly. This is the rule. And in that, France won. This is what I said. It also came true. Brazil with Belgium, Belgium won. Sweden with England, England won. Russia with Croatia, Croatia won. And now I am talking about the semi-finals. France with Belgium, I said in my video, opposite will happen. I predicted Belgium, but in the video I said, what I am saying, the opposite will take place. This was the prediction of mine. And France won. I predicted clearly about Croatia. All the people, all the newspapers, all the specialists of footballer, all the critics, all the media, all the channels were saying England will win. England will win. England will win, because they are having a young energy, and they are very enthusiastic, and they will win the match. Okay, I am doing prediction. Let me do the calculation. I did it. Croatia won the match. Now Croatia and France is in the final. This is what I have to tell you about. This is what the art of science, the art of belief is. And I am having a hidden wealth of this knowledge, of this power in my country. I will upload, means my channel man who is running this channel, he will upload my videos regularly. You are free to ask any question. You are free to discuss your problem with me. I will give you all the details how you can contact me also, and it is free of cost. Okay, so I will upload all the things. Just check the difference between animals and the human beings, and just check the prediction strategy. All the predictions till the date are 100/100. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Please subscribe. Only those who want to learn, only those who have believe in astrology, numerology, and those who don't want to be a part of this channel, please even though please even no need to subscribe it. Okay, stop trolling the genuine and intelligent people. I'm not saying I'm an intelligent man. I'm just saying there are so many people on the YouTube. They are very intelligent, running their channel. They are very, very, very intelligent. Genius they are. I'm nothing in front of them. Please don't troll anyone. First you ask the question who you are. And do you know any, do you have any knowledge about what the person is speaking about? Your soul will give the answer. Why, what is the use of trolling this man? Or what is the use of trolling any other man on the YouTube? He is simply just coming over here, giving the messages, passing the information. Just take it on. And I am telling you this also. If I will get the trolling, the answer will be given in the same language. Thank you so much. Spread it, view it, and subscribe it. Thanks a lot.